Hello and welcome to Property of Exponents again. We're just going to continue with a couple more properties of exponents that you might see in problems that may confuse you, so hopefully this just helps you get past it. Okay, so we're going to simplify this fraction that has some crazy exponents for the x's, and let's see, what do we do when this happens? So first let's just separate the regular numbers from the crazy part of our fraction. So the regular numbers are 2 and 4, so we're just going to stack them up in a separate fraction just like that. Yeah. And then we're going to put the x to the 3/4 and the x to the 1/3 in a separate fraction. Yeah, because we can do that, right? We can separate these things in terms of in this way because they're all connected by multiplication anyway. So the 2/4 eventually just becomes 1/2. And then one of the properties of exponents says, right, if you have the same exact variable dividing, all you gotta do is subtract the powers. Okay, and this is you're only gonna subtract the powers because you have the exact same base, right? This both base x here, base x there, so you got the exact same base dividing. So according to property of exponents, it says when you divide similar bases, all you do is subtract the powers. So you're just gonna go top power 3/4 minus bottom power 1/3. Okay. And these fractions, before you subtract it, you got to make the same denominator, right? So you still got to follow your rules for subtracting fractions, which is making the denominator match. So what number does 4 and 3 match at? And I hope you said 12, because if you did, then you're right on track. So how do I make each number into a 12? Well, I multiply by 3 to the first fraction to make it a 12 on the bottom. I multiply by 4 to the second fraction to make him 12 on the bottom. So let me just write this a little bigger because I was kind of scrunching it up. I didn't do that on purpose. I'm sorry. And we have 9/12 minus 4/12. Okay. And then when we subtract the powers, we're going to get 1/2 on the side. Notice that it doesn't change, right? The two things stay separate from each other, right? So x to the 9 minus 4, right? Since the bottoms match, you just subtract the tops, so you get 5/12. And you may submit your answer just like this, or if you want to put it as one single fraction, you can just put the x to the 5/12 on the top and the 2 on the bottom. Okay, both answers are perfectly fine. Alright, that was nice and short, so I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.